fender here, we have something we have to do on this. This fender on the driver's side was an original GTO fender. And GTO versus Le Mans and Tempest has different trim on them. So I have to make a pattern here. See what I use. This is just a tracing paper. Tape it in place. I drew my line here on the door edge. I drew my line here on this body line. And I drew the lines on this fender line. And right here you can see I took the X-Acto knife and just cut the tracing paper out here where these two fenders go. The two holes go on the fender for the GTO script. So I'm going to take this off. I'll take it over to the other side and tape it on. What makes it nice about the tracing paper is you can see the lines through it. So when you put it to the other side, you just line it up in place. Alright, bring it back after I move it. Alright, I've taken my paper pattern off over here. And one thing I did before I removed it was I measured from the floor up to the bottom of the hole. It was 27¼ inches. So I brought my pattern over here, put it on. You can see how my lines are. All the lines and everything are all right on. See them right there. Write down my measurements. See how the lines are. Focus on that. You can see how they are. See how they are right on the fender lines. I've already had them marked on the other side. And then, of course, when we do our measurement over here, we're at that 27¼ mark, right to the bottom of the hole. So we are on that one. So we're good. I'll mark these now. The Sharpie marker through that hole, and we'll be ready to center punch those and drill them. Here's how you do it. That's how I do it. We make our patterns, transfer molding holes and so forth one side to the other, transfer anything from one side to the other for that matter. So okay, I'll get these marked, bring you back as we make more progress. Alright, it's the same way down here, same procedure. Paper on over top of these holes I've already cut out here. Over there, over there. Measure from the floor up at 25 inches here. Floor up, 25½ here. See, I mark my edges. This one I wrapped it down underneath and I marked it and I cut it. Hopefully you can see that. Just cut it with the contour of the bottom of the fender. That's how we'll take it over and tape it to the other side. Alright, bring it back when we do that. Alright, remove my paper over here on this side. Come around over here to the other, just like we did on the back. The GTO nameplate, this is for a piece of molding down here. Transferred everything. Went back and took some extra measurements. The other side. Measure from the corner back here. Center of here. This corner. Center of this one. Just to make sure. Measure, like I had said, from our floor up to here. Got a 25½ inch mark. Same here at 25. And that's different just because my paper is cut differently. It doesn't matter, so you get your reference points. So there you have it. I've already marked those, marker, so now I can remove the paper, center punch those, and drill the same size holes I have on the other side here for the moldings. Alright, there you have it.